today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this look. It's not that great, but we're progressing. Let's go! Okay, so I've already done the right eye. It's not as I expected, but it's progress. Done the brows, done the right eye. Now that I'm going to do the left eye. Wait. Yeah, the lighter pink shade. Blend. Oh, let me just show you guys my second palette. It's the Morphe. Get some purple. Actually, just use the same one I used for the right eye. Oh my god, this is so much better than the right eye. This is a Tarte Shape Tape.
So right now I am just packing it onto the flat brush and applying it onto my eyelid to cut the crease.
What if I just... Well, I love this. It's as if I'm making a painting. Now I'm just going over the foundation with some setting powder.
Look like I'm ready for a disco night out. Disco, disco. What is this? There it is.
Okay, now I'm applying some lip gloss. Sometimes lipstick can be a bit too dry, so I want it to be a bit more shiny. You know what I mean? Look at that shine. Wait for it. Wait for it.